Alright, so earlier I made a video about the changing the shift linkage seal on a 727 torque flite, and I was just gonna make an intro to the video. So here we go. Alright, so I think this is a 70 Challenger, big block 383 727 torque flite. Shift linkage seal right there. What I did is I went on eBay and bought this little kit. It comes with this, a little screw bolt, a seal, and a new seal driver. What I had to do to get this started in this old seal, because it won't just screw in easily, what I had to do was kind of start it over the shift linkage. Then I took this C-clamp that screws on the end, put it in there, and screwed down and put pressure on it. And as I did that, I turned this seal remover tool and kept doing that until it felt like it had good enough threads in the seal. Then I took this off, started my bolt, run it down, and slowly worked it out. Now this will take a few tries. You ain't gonna get it on the first try, and if you do, you're damn lucky. So anyways, I finally got it out. I'll attach some pictures of maybe you can kind of see what I was doing in the pictures that I did get, because I took some pictures to see how far down I was on the threads of the seal the first time, and it ended up pulling back up out of the seal. So I tried it a second time, actually a third time really, and I finally got it. So if you got one of them and got this seal remover kit, you should be able to get it with a little work with it still in the car. Alright, so as soon as you see in them pictures, the C-clamp, the top of it goes over the seal puller, and then the bottom where the screw part is of the C-clamp, it goes on the transmission pan, and you just cinch that up and then screw it in until it's tight and got pretty good pressure on it. And I took the 5/8 wrench and turned clockwise to drive that seal driver, or the seal puller, down into the seal. And like I said, it took several tries. You're not going to get it on the first one, and if you do, like I said, you're lucky. But anyways, that's how I pulled it out. And to actually install the new seal, I just slid the new seal after I put some transmission fluid on the seal part, the rubber part of the seal. Slid it down over the shaft, and then I put the installer, or the seal driver, on top of it. And I actually took that C-clamp that I used to drive the seal remover down into it. I actually used it the same way that I used the remover to actually install it, and I just kept cinching down that screwdriver part that tightens up the clamp. I just kept tightening it up, and it pulled the seal down into the transmission. But I'll attach some pictures of it showing how I had it set up as well, and it's pretty much the same setup as I did getting the seal extractor down into the seal. But I'll attach them pictures. So as you see, with a little bit of rigging, I used all that stuff that I showed in the first half of the video. I used every bit of that just to remove and to reinstall the new seal. So that's going to be it. I haven't got all the setup stuff to actually show me doing the work. But you know, that will come in time. I was just going to make a video of it because there's not there's a handful of videos. One dude, he ended up not using the seal extractor on his. He ended up using a screwdriver. But on this E-body, there was no way I was getting any kind of screwdriver that I personally have down in there without messing something up. So it took me a little bit longer, but I finally figured out how to do it. And I just want to say, you know, if you're having trouble to begin with, take a break. You can do it without pulling the transmission. It'll eventually come. So that's all. There should be some more videos coming out sometime. You know, I work on all kind of stuff, so you just never know. And I make videos here and there. Some of them's before and after this video. It's just they're sitting in my phone. I'll get to them eventually. So that's it, guys. Thank you.